how to create a CM diagram. Um, we all know the application of the CM diagram in Paleoenvironment definition. The data we will need for this interpretation will be the first percentile and median data of Sieve data analysis. The first percentile phi 1 and the median data value. I'll be using my own data collection. Those are my data. That's my first percentile value, and that's my median value. This is the data converting Excel file, which I'll be attached in the comment section. So I'll be copy and paste as values. Copy, paste here as values. So since I have used it earlier, the data doesn't show any changes, but you may try by changing this value like this way. We'll say changing the C value, so it will change this whenever you put your own data. After pasting the value here, save the Excel file. Minimize. Now we'll be working on a software called Grapher software. I used Grapher's 12 version. I'll be attaching the base file in the comment section. So this is the base file which I have created for myself. So I'll be checking the object manager. First I'll log the position, then I'll right click, search for some option called add plots. We'll be selecting line or scatter plot. It is a graph 1, x-axis is x-axis and y-axis is y-axis 1. I'll be searching for the Excel file. So this is my Excel file in which I have converted my data. Open. Now I have to select this plot and go to the property manager, go to the plot. So my x-axis is median in micrometer, so here median in micrometer is cell E. Therefore I'll be selecting X column as cell E and the Y column is 1 percentile value, which is cell D. So I'll be selecting Y column as cell D. Now right click, look for change plot to scatter. Now you can customize this symbol as you wish. You'll be doing a few things shortly, like going to the property manager, or you can also go through by right click property manager, look for symbol. You can customize the symbol from here. I can, for example, I can select this one and always try to increase the size so that it can be visible. Let's try this value, and also uh, try to change the color. Like I'll be selecting this one. If you want, you can change the line outline. Like if you want to increase this one, it will be more visible. You can also change this color, the outline color, like this way. I'll be keeping it black. So if your data doesn't represent here, you can change this or this shadow wherever the your data will be. So I'll be keeping this here because my data is here. You can change the area. You're done. Now basically I'll be going to export. I'll be selecting the place where the file will be saved. I'll give a name like CM diagram. Since my data is from a location called Bandarban, I'll be naming it Bandarban. Then save as type, I'll search for some extension type called JPG or JPEG compressed bitmap. Then hit save. One thing I have to make sure, uh, I want to tell you everyone that the pixel per inch should be minimum 400 if you want to publish this image as a paper. Whereas trying, let's try 1200. It will be more good resolution. So okay, here is our output. That's all. You can also explore more option and customize yourself like color and other options. Thank you very much. Best of luck.